Howdy, friends. What is happening? I hope you are doing awesome. Tyson Bowman, Rockstar Life Realty, your one and only source that is life built upon the rock. So, monthly market update. Let's get into it. Pop off. All right, y'all. So, things are moving in a positive direction. Check it out. Homes sold. We're up 14% from last month, and that is just a wonderful thing. But from last year, we're still down 20%, but nothing catastrophic here. Sales clearly are rising, which is a good thing for the health of the real estate market. So median sale price, y'all, and this is values. Check it out. Just from last month, up 5%. From last year, up 2%. So all that hype in the mainstream media, they're always pushing the real estate market crash, market crash, market crash. Check it out. That is not happening at all. Values are going up. And still, we're still dealing with the housing shortage nationwide. There's literally more people than there is houses, a lot more. So median list price, we're going up 7% from last month, up 6% from last year. And that's based on demand. People are willing to pay, and what they're willing to pay is going up. So something to keep in mind for those of you sitting on quite a bit of equity. It's still a good time to sell. Values are holding steady. They're going up. Or if you just want to sit there and hold, shoot, by all means, hold it. Contact me if you want to sell 5, 10, 20 years. Hopefully I'll still be around. Sale to list price ratio. This was one that caught my attention, up 1%, because that had been trending down from 102% to 98%. But now we're going back up. That means these buyers out here in the market, they're paying more. There's more competition in the market. As you see, we're still down 3% on that. From last year, though, sales volume up 18% from last month, which is a great thing. Still down 22% from last year. No surprise there. Sales are down. But one thing that's interesting is there's less properties on market right now because the word on the street is, oh, don't get involved in the real estate market right now because, it's uncertain. So I'm just going to be fearful and sit back. And obviously the people that win, especially on the buyer side, they're going in now. They're not concerned about the fear on the street. They're concerned with reality and what's reflected in the data. And I'm telling you, on the buyer side, there is significant opportunity right now because the rest of the competition, they're on the sidelines. They're not doing nothing. And there are plenty of sellers out there that need to sell. So get out there, pound the pavement, have the showings, look at the listings as I send them to you, or you find them somewhere else, and just keep at it. And I can assure you, you will get a win. It's a numbers game. If you have questions about how to, be successful in that area, feel free to reach out. My contact info is always below. So homes sold year to date, just in 1 month, we're up 32%, but obviously in comparison with last year, we are down 24%. So hope that helps everybody. If there's anything in the world I can do to help you, or you have questions about anything, seriously, anything real estate related, it's an honor, a privilege, and a pleasure for me to help you. So peace, power, victory, love, and don't forget to subscribe. Rockstar Life. We'll talk to you soon.